Brain fog, causes, symptoms, and how to find relief. Have you ever felt mentally drained without a clear reason? You might be experiencing brain fog. Brain fog isn't a disease, but it can affect your daily life. Common symptoms include forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and feeling mentally sluggish. These can impact productivity and decision-making. Several factors contribute to brain fog. Lack of sleep can leave you feeling mentally sluggish. Stress and anxiety interfere with cognitive function. A poor diet, especially low in essential nutrients, can also play a role. Hormonal changes, certain medications, and medical conditions like autoimmune diseases can lead to cognitive struggles. Environmental factors such as exposure to toxins may also impact brain function. Improving mental clarity starts with identifying the cause. Establish a consistent sleep routine and manage stress with relaxation techniques. Eat a balanced diet rich in omega-3s and vitamins. Stay hydrated and exercise regularly to boost blood flow to the brain. Consider supplements like omega-3s or vitamin B12, but consult a doctor first. If symptoms persist, seek medical advice to explore further treatment options. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference in reducing brain fog and improving focus. To know more, the link is in the description.